Hey guys, this is Alex Pierce, and in this video I'm going to be using Assimilate Live FX and content from Simplates to show you how to play back 24K resolution. You heard me correct, 24K resolution. To be exact, 24,576 by 12,288. That's going to play back in real time on a single GPU, an A6000, an older generation A6000. So let me show you how to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and import my clips. So I have these two clips here. I'm going to import them onto my timeline. I'm going to stack them on top of themselves. Let me go over to Live FX here, and I'm going to start with a filler. My filler is the resolution of our timeline here, which is what I want it to be. And then I'm going to change the out to be 8 frames because that's the out of this train plate that I've rendered out. And then back in my node here, I'm going to drag in my clips. These are labeled right and left, R for right, L for left. And so I'm going to just bring them somewhat into place here. And then what I'm going to do is go down to canvas. We don't want any Y translation. And this X translation should be -6144. And this right one should be +6144. Okay. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the node tree menu. Go to the top here, click on the top layer, the top node, and I'm going to press nest. Okay. And now with this top nest layer selected, I'm going to go into my metadata. And I'm going to change the metadata type to 360, and now we can use our 360 viewer if we want. So let me go ahead and open up Performance Monitor, and let's see, this is going to play back at 24 frames a second. If I go into Settings, General, Frame Rate, and I go to Free Run, we can get a little bit more than 24 frames a second. Obviously you need really fast storage. I have an internal SSD that I'm playing this back from. That's going to be the biggest bottleneck, is the read-write speed of your drive. And the other thing, if you don't have this already set up, if you're using this as the example, this is scene linear. So if I were to change this back to source, it would look super dark. And maybe this is what you want actually. You might want this creepy looking thing, but to do the color space transform, there's different ways you can do it, but if you just go to Settings, Monitors, Interface, or if you have dual head set up, you can do dual head, and then change this to whatever your monitor settings are. So maybe it's Rec 709, Gamma 24, and then you have your plate here. So this is playing back 24K resolution on a single machine. So you could gang this up with multiple machines if you wanted to, and do a synced player if you want. But I just wanted to give you this quick thing. If you need to test this out because you have a large volume, definitely let me know and I will get you some demo footage. Alright, that's going to be it for this video. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.